DNS sounds boring, right? Like some tech lingo that only network engineers care about. But the thing is, it's quietly one of the biggest privacy leaks on the internet. A DNS is necessary for browsing the web, but every time you visit a website, it tells your ISP and other companies exactly where you're going, even if the site itself is encrypted. And that's how your data gets profiled, tracked, and sold. But the good news is that you can stop it in under a minute. So let me show you how. All right, now it's time to actually change your DNS. And don't worry, you don't need a tech degree for this one, and it takes less than a minute on most devices. On Windows, go to Settings, Network and Internet, Advanced Network Settings, and select DNS. Choose Manual, then type in your preferred DNS like 1.1.1.1 for Cloudflare or 9.9.9.9 for Quad9. Hit save and you're done. On Android, go to Network and Internet, Private DNS, and select Private DNS Provider Hostname and type dns.cloudflare.com or dns.nextdns.io. Again, that's it. Every app on your phone will now use this encrypted DNS. On iPhone or iPad, head to Settings, Wi-Fi, tap the I next to your network, configure DNS, and then select Manual. Add the IPs or DNS that you choose, like 1.1.1.1 or 1.0.0.1, and then tap Save. On your router, this one is optional, but it's also quite powerful. Log into your router's admin pane, usually something like 192.168.1.1, and change the DNS under Internet or WAN settings. Do this once, and every device on your network will use the private DNS automatically. That's literally it. No new app, pricing, subscription, or nasty performance hit required. These quick settings tweaks make your browser faster, safer, and harder to track. So that's great, but here's a question we get all the time. If DNS hides your lookups, do you still need a VPN? And the short answer is yes. Changing your DNS protects what websites you're visiting, but not who you are or where you're connecting from. Think of it like this. Private DNS hides your address book, but a VPN hides your entire online identity. Your ISP won't see your DNS lookups anymore, but without a VPN, they can still see your IP address, your general location, and the fact that you're online. The same goes for the websites themselves, who could easily profile you with that information. So when you connect to a good VPN, all of your traffic, including DNS requests, goes through an encrypted tunnel. So no one, not even your ISP, can see what you're doing or where you're doing it from. And if you're using one of the top VPNs that we've tested, like ExpressVPN, they already use their own secure DNS servers by default. So you get full protection without touching a single setting. If you want to see how they actually perform with real-world tests, then we made a full video on the best VPNs for Windows, and honestly, they work great on every other platform too. So whether you're on Android, Mac OS, or even your router, you'll find something that fits perfectly. So changing your DNS is one of the quickest privacy wins that you can make. It's free, it takes under a minute, and instantly makes your connection faster and harder to track. If you want full protection with encrypted traffic, hidden IP, and coverage across all of your devices, then just pair it with a solid VPN. We've already tested the best ones in our best VPNs for Windows video, and they work great on every platform. Thanks so much for watching vpnMentor, where we make online privacy easy to understand and actually useful. Be sure to hit like, subscribe, and check out that VPN video next. And as always, we'll see you in the next video.